about sending a message. It's about sending a message, guys. All right? All right? I'm stuck. What's up, guys? Angst here. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Building catfish boxes.
That's right. And what are we gonna do with them? We're gonna go noodling. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
All right, Daniel, how much money for me to throw these in the parking lot and have
No, don't do that. All right, slaves. Work harder, work faster, work dumber.
Not Ricky. Yeah, that's my friend Ricky. He's my fan hookup.
Yeah, that's.
You think you paid for that boat and that truck?
Oh, okay, never mind. You true. You're right. Over here, looking like a terrorist. Guys, you guys are probably thinking, oh, Angst, this is never gonna get monetized. Okay, even if you make it big. Guess what? I don't care about the money. I have a job. It's about sending a message. It's about sending a message, guys. All right? All right? Go woke, go broke.
Ricky, over there, my fan hookup. Remember from earlier? Yeah, he's there.
We're in public and we're about to take so much cocaine. Dude.
Oh!
Yeah.
When is I going to tarnish my brand?
Let me know in the comments what you want to name this board. I'm thinking Hitler, but whatever you guys want it to be named, that's what it's gonna be named. Man, that coke is really getting to me, guys. I cut myself. Just kidding. That was a joke. Should I dox this man's phone number?
Please don't.
Guys.
It's right over there written on the box.
Right here is where his phone number's gonna be. Right here. So go call it.
Right there, come back, move that one, put it right there. Then
Well, I am dressed for the occasion.
this is not a river, it's a swamp. The river's downstream. So,
Sexy.
All right, guys, we're back. It's a new day. We're gonna be doing great things. All right, we have Evan squared, not Matt squared, but we do have corn, and we're gonna be doing so many drugs today. So let's do it. Okay to eat fish, 'cause they don't have any feelings. Something in my. All right, guys, so we did kind of fail, but now we're going into here and we're gonna explore the danger zone.
We're already
Love
standing
it.
in front of the no trespass.
Love it.
No. Go!
Gamers.
there's like a 500-pound weight limit, so his fat neck's gonna break it.
Oh no. There's one on both sides. That's so funny. Oh, Dan, what are you doing? Hey, how rude. How rude of them. That is razor wire. That's rude. Be very careful, Dan. What the are you doing, dude? Oh no, we're filming his death.
I'm gonna go do that too.
But this hasn't been used in 60 years.
I don't know how I'm gonna get back up. Yeah, we left Albert. We did. He's a little conked out.
Gosh, I'm talking like inbred crackhead.
I really do not want to film your death. Cut it out of the video.
Man, cold dude. This dude's body is
Oh my God.
He's my apocalypse partner, don't even. He's my apocalypse creepy.
Nah, if the apocalypse happens, Team Unhinged is goated. We got Big Man Angst, we got Puffy Poo, and we got the Halbert Squared.
Halbert and Evansford?
Or yeah, Evan Squared. Halbert, look at this dumb.
Jump down there and just land on his fingers, bro.
We're gonna run over there and step
Oh my God, it's failing me.
Nah, because then I can't drive home. I'd be cooked.
I should have done my pull-ups. I should have done my pull-ups.
This has to be like YouTube short material. Oh, Daniel, please. Daniel, please. Where's Daniel?
I'm trapped. I'm stuck. Oh, I should never have taken cocaine. Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
Filming this. Filming him. Film the soccer ball. Film Halbert.
Oh, I got rust in my eyes. There's one more thing I want to do.
Water. Oh no.
I do this.
No. Oh no. Oh sh.
Looking at the wells on this, like, on these.
Are they good welds or bad welds? They are not dimes. We're cooked. Oh, oh no. That's the hobo toilet.
Oh, that's tiring.
Yeah, now he's gotta get back.
Whoa. Oh. Yeah, look how shaky that is.
Alright, now do you jump in and just swim over here? Or-
No.
No.
I've seen this dude climb like an 80-foot tree in the middle of a thunderstorm. This is not the stupidest thing he's done.
He's.
How did that go? How did that go?
Got it. I got it.
No, you don't.
As easy as this.
That would be a metal and name. Instant lobotomy. Dude, that'd be so fire.
Now we're using our brains. Thank you.
There you go, bud.
Well, guys, we had a lot of fun today. We tried to get some catfish by noodling. Didn't work. We're gonna do it again. Don't you worry, boys. Then we explored this. What even is this?
A lock. Yeah.
A lock? Okay, yeah. So we explored this little lock. We had fun. I almost fell a couple of times. We did some funny skits. It was all awesome because I love climbing. Climbing is like my favorite hobby to do. That and like
Fat.
and drugs.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the end of the video. God bless, stay safe, and you just got angst.